any girl ever?
200.
Very good. 200.
Come.
Because you don't have the knowledge about one product. Then you have to suffer from these sunny days, and that harms your skin and makes your skin tan, dull. Take a towel and rub your hairs like this.
New coaching classroom, new activity, and a brand new video for you all. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this beautiful channel Learn English with Fun. In this classroom activity today, you are going to watch, the students are going to come here and will show their products. They will not show only, they will advertise it. They will not advertise it only, they are going to make beautiful deals. They are going to purchase, they are going to sell their products. Why are we doing all this? Because when you come here on the stage, in front of the camera, in front of the audience, it makes you so nervous. It makes you damn nervous that you feel so hesitated, you get blank, you go blank, you don't know how to speak, you don't know how to face the crowd. So this is why we have arranged this beautiful activity for you all, so that when you come here on this stage, hold this mic and face the camera and face the audience, you become so powerful to share what you have. And let me tell you, my dear friends, somebody has brought a brand new truck to sell as a product. Somebody has brought a fairness cream, somebody has brought a moisturizer, somebody has brought a toy. So everybody has picked some beautiful objects with them. They are going to advertise and sell their products. They have to make deals also. They have to purchase, they have to ask for the offers. They'll do each and everything as a marketing agent. So what are we waiting for? Without wasting a lot of time, let's get started this video.
Hello friends, good evening. I am Siddhant. I am from XYZ company. I sell this body perfume. It is market price is $279, but
My offered price is
today's special offer
very nice.
$250. Anybody?
250.
Yes sir.
It's so expensive.
$230.
230, anyone? 200.
230. 200.
Very good. 200.
Come.
200, ready? Yeah. No problem. There is no exchange offer. Okay, sir. There's no return policy. Take this. Very good. Thank you.
Hey.
Okay. Very good, very good.
Hello everyone, good afternoon. And I am Priyanshi and I am from XYZ company and I am a perfume seller. Lasting fragrance and its smell is so good. You can use it at various occasions. Thank you, that's all.
What is the price of this perfume? What is the price of that?
40% less than MRP.
$3.99.
$3.99. Do you have any offer for the students?
Yeah.
100.
I give it for
For 340. पूरा calculate करके आई है. 340, only 50 rupees discount.
300.
300. It's of 399. She's offering for 300. Is it used? Is it used? 300. Do you want?
Yes sir.
Come. You want to sell this? All right.
Sell करवा दिए ना surprise.
Okay, no issue.
No sir.
Okay, guys, thank you.
Hi, good afternoon. I am here to talk about the most famous company Minimalist that have skincare brand. It has benefit included vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and etc. It has lightweight gel texture. It absorbs very quickly.
Okay. All right, you have to use it.
Yes,
All
sir.
right.
It absorbs very quickly.
It gets absorbed very quickly.
Like this.
Very nice.
It absorbs very quickly. This is very affordable and beneficial. This product enhance our beauty. Remove oiliness from our skin. It is made for acne prone skin, sensitive and combination skin. Many people who have oily skin, who don't use, this is oil free moisturizer for you.
The market price.
The market price of this moisturizer is $5.99, but this is for you guys, it is $5.49 only.
What is the price then? 599.
Yeah, $5.49.
Okay. Are you really going to buy this? 549.
$5.49.
Let's go. 549.
$5.49. Sure na?
It is non-exchangeable. Remember this. It is not-
Both man and woman. Both man and woman.
It ha-
When it comes to the cheap market of
It is called grey market, huh? Grey market. चोर बाजार को grey market बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में. Don't cry at home, bro. Alright. Can you step back? Can you step back?
money is
Yes.
in front of camera.
No, it's okay.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Alright, guys. Please clap for her. She did good for back.
Hello everyone, I am Kanika and I came from Key company, and you guys didn't believe, but today I brought an amazing product, and that is really very beneficial for you. So, and if you are a student or a college student or a school student, then trust me, it is made for you. So like if you are going your tuitions, your school, your college, then you have to suffer from these sunny days, and that harms your skin and makes your skin tan, dull, and you feel very uncomfortable in this day. So for this, here is this Key Vitamin C plus E sunscreen that makes your day very special and beautiful. It contains SPF 15 plus, so that protects you from UVA and UVB rays, and it also contains vitamin C and E that remove your dullness, dark spots, tanning, and also removes your dark pigmentation, and it's bring brightness on your skin and makes your skin glow. And the structure and the texture of this sunscreen is water-like texture that is easily get blended on your skin and didn't show any white cast on your face. So guys, didn't get worry for that it will show any white cast on your face. Didn't get worry. And the market price of this is 300, but I want to sold it only for you at 250.
Okay, I want to buy.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay.
Alright then, come.
Are you sure to buy this product?
Yes, I'm sure.
And guys, if you want to get more products, like it comes in 4 types. The first one is blueberry flavor that is for dry skins, and the second one is peach flavor that is for all skin, and the third one is Sila flavor that is for the persons who have acne, pores on their skins, and the fourth one is watermelon flavor that makes your skin cool instantly, and the fifth one is this product.
Madam, there is your customer standing.
Yeah. And this one is last, which is for all skin types. So are you sure to buy this?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay, take this.
Take them.
And guys, if you guys want to purchase more products, come on our .key website and purchase your products and make your...
She made a beautiful deal today. Clap for her.
Thank you everyone.
Hi everyone, good evening to all. I am Shivsankar Sahu, and today I am going to talk about an amazing product. That product is called Game Changer, and that is creatine monohydrate. This is creatine monohydrate. Firstly, I would like to tell you how it works. It is a creatine. It is a natural supplement. It is made by naturally, and it is trusted by millions of people. It is not only for gym goers. It is for everyone. Millions of students have used it, and its result is fantastic. Actually, it helps in our body to get store energy. It helps to produce more energy. Our body produces energy, but if we do hard work, if we do extra works, our energy get spent. So this creatine monohydrate helps to maintain that energy, and it keeps our body full day energetic. And now the price is only 250 rupees for you guys. So how many of you guys interested to buy this product? Actually, it will. If you will take it at 5 gram per day, it will keep you. It will keep you energetic the whole day. That's how it works. So, are you guys interested? Okay, you can come here and buy. Okay, thanks to buy. Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone. I know many of you don't know how to impress girls. Am I right?
Yes.
Not only those girls, like your mother, your sister, and if you want to give any gift to any girl and want to make happy, so I have a product that helps you in this. And let me show this product. This is an Inside perfume, and its name is Cherry. And most of girls likes this type of gifts. And if you want to make happy and impress them, then you can gift them. And its price is 500. And if you want a discount, then there is a discount of 20%. Anyone wants? So it is like this. And if anybody wants to smell it, then they can. What?
Maybe the smell letter.
Okay. Thank you for giving me your precious time. And thank you for listening me. Thank you, that's all. Hi everyone. Have you proposed any girl ever? I know why you haven't proposed any girl. Because you don't have the knowledge about one product. So ladies and gentlemen, it's certificate. It's what's only for boys. If you are riding a bike, this can improve your
Hairstyling.
This can improve your hairstyling. So let's talk about its instructions. So you have to push it for 3 seconds. It's done, and you have to don't make wet your hair.
You don't need to wet your hair.
You don't need to wet your hair. So apply like this, and take a towel and rub your hairs like this.
Very nice. Yes.
It's done, and set your hair, and it will not.
Wow, it's better than yesterday. Yes. It's better than yesterday now.
And it will not remove. If you are doing this, then it will absolutely remove. So again, you can set your hair properly, and every girl will propose you. Which girl rejected you? She will come for accepting your proposition. Thank you, that's sir. 1 minute. So its price is 100, but I will give you in 60 rupees. There's anyone to buy this?
Is there any flavor as well?
And
Flavor.
Yes, there is flavor. It comes with flavor.
No, it's that is 60 rupees.
and it's there's no alcohol and sulfates. It's naturally. Is there anyone to buy this?
Do it fast. Offer is for limited time. Finish. Offer finish.
Check the quantity.
Hey, don't use that. Hey.
You can use.
Do it very fast.
देखा ही नहीं देता है.
There is very less product. That's why I'm going to buy it.
So So let's
Give them for a few more discounts. Go.
take it in 30 rupees. 30? Mind on your own work.
Take that in.
Okay, bro.
What?
30 rupees.
Yes.
What price is taking your product?
30 rupees.
30 rupees. Change is 30 rupees. Alright, let's go.
Everyone, good afternoon to all. My name is Anshu Kumari. I am from Ecolink Company. Ecolink Company is a very good company. It gives us a very beautiful products. I want to share a product which is mainly for students. This is called a table light box. This is very beautiful. This is flexible. This is mainly for students. You also purchase this. The real cost of this light is 1300.
I would like to give you this offer. My offered price is.
My offered price is only for 800. Would you like to purchase this? You purchase this now.
Alright, if somebody wants to purchase, we'll inform you about that, right?
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Sorry.
Sir, Didi.
Hello friends, I am Adarsh. I am from Tufan company.
Alright, go ahead.
I am sell a pen. It is a very unique pen. Sir, can you? It is beneficial for students. There are 3 buttons of in first, second, and third.
Speak it well, come on.
This is a charger in it. You can charge in it as well. Thank you. That's all.
Thank you.